Hello everyone! So how are you today guys? Kumusta ang lahat? Ano ang update nyo dyan guys? Anong pinagbisihan nyo dyan? Anong pinaglibangan nyo guys? So andito na naman kami guys. For today's video guys, andito tayo sa labas. Nagpahangin-hangin muna tayo dito banda sa tindahan guys. Ayun, medyo tahimik ang panahon ngayon guys. Ayun, super sumabay sa mainit din na panahon. Ayun, guys. Mainit talaga tayo today. So, Miming. Ming! Ming! You see her? Hala. Okay. Okay, Ming. Ayaw mo dito, Ming? Ming? Okay. Don't disturb me. Miming said. So, yun lang, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day, everyone, and keep safe. Have a blessed day ahead to all. See you next again. Thank you for watching guys. Maraming salamat. Ayun. Hapon na tayo guys. Pero ayun. Very ano pa talaga. Mainit pa talaga tingnan. So yun lang guys. Thank you so much.